So for today's vlog, I'm gonna share with you the top 20 most searchable contents in YouTube that you can do as a YouTuber. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, I'm Jocsan and welcome to Jocsan MTV. This channel guys is intended for YouTube tutorials, motivations, success stories, travels, and about business. So if you like those videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell button for you to be updated on my latest videos. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna share with you the top 20 most searchable contents in YouTube that you can do as a YouTuber. Darating talaga yung time na karamihan sa mga content creators, naubusan talaga sila ng content. So, yung iba nga din na alam kung ano yung upload nila next. So, right now, I prepared 20 searchable contents that you can use on your next videos. So, actually guys, this is a part 1 of our video. I'm gonna share with you 100 topics. 100 topics guys, yes. So, napulin yung contents sa inyong YouTube channel. So, let's go! We have number 1, how to start a YouTube channel. So actually guys, nowadays, ang dami-daming mga newbies or new YouTubers na gusto talaga nila mag-start ng vlogging. So actually you can create a tutorial na pwede mong upload sa channel mo. So on which pwedeng ma-search siya ng mga new content creator yung tutorials how to create a YouTube channel. Number 2 is how to grow your channel. So, syempre, as a YouTuber, we want to grow our channel. So, you can also create a tutorial. So, ano yung mga steps by steps na mga ways na pwedeng gawin ng mga YouTuber para mag-grow yung channel nila. How to increase likes, for example, subscribers, something like that. Number 3 is how I edit my videos. So, actually guys, you can also create a tutorial on how to edit videos. So, actually, like me, I edit my video on kinemaster. Ang iba naman sa other editing apps. So, you can have a tutorial, so step by step, so paano mag-edit ng mga videos. Next guys is how to create thumbnails. So, actually, mas mabilis tayo mag-engage ng mga viewers guys, especially if our thumbnails na ginagamit natin sa mga videos natin ay very interesting. So actually you can create a tutorial on how to make a very creative thumbnail. Example of thumbnails ay ito. Up next guys is how to edit YouTube banner. Just like this. Yan, you can create a tutorial how to create a YouTube banner using Canva, something like that. So there are a lot of application that you can use, Canva or Pixel. Up next is how to edit YouTube intro. So, importante din guys, especially sa mga channels natin. So, na meron tayong interesting or magandang intro sa vlogs natin. So, kung mapapansin nyo sa ibang mga vloggers, diba may mga intros talaga sila. You can make a tutorial on how to edit a YouTube intro. Next guys is filming or vlogging setup. You can create a step-by-step paano mag-vlog, paano mag-set up ng camera or ano yung mga kailangan para sa pag-vlog. So you can create a tutorial or create a video para sa mga baguhan sa YouTube guys. So para alam nila ano yung mga step-by-step paano mag-vlog. Up next guys is how to add end screen. So itong end screen guys, ito yung makikita natin sa end ng mga videos ng ibang mga YouTuber, ibang mga videos sa YouTube na may magpa-pop up na bago matapos yung video, may magpa-pop up na parang ibang video na parang sign na you can watch another video. So actually guys, so importante din yun, no? How to add end screen. Up next guys is how to create a Facebook page. So actually ngayon, ang isa sa pinaka talaga ngayon na application or parang trending application talaga yung Facebook, diba? So, marami ngayon talaga na nagpe-Facebook. So, actually, you can create a tutorial on how to create a Facebook page. Especially, marami ngayon nagbe-business. So, you can create how to create a Facebook page for business or Facebook page for personal. Next is how to create a TikTok account. So, actually guys, Yes, maliban sa Facebook, no? So, isa din sa pinaka-trending na app today, especially in this pandemic, so is, yung TikTok. So, you can create a tutorial how to create a TikTok account. Next, guys, is how to create an Instagram account. So, aside sa Facebook, TikTok, so actually, marami din gumagamit, guys, ng Instagram. So, you can create a tutorial how to create or how to sign up in Instagram. Up next, guys, is reaction video. So, actually, marami ngayong mga YouTuber or mga content creators na nag-grow talaga yung channel nila dahil sa content nila na mga more on reaction videos lang, like mga funny videos, mga lahat, kahit iba't ibang klaseng mga reaction videos. Maraming mga content creator na yan lang ang content nila, just to react a certain video. Up next, guys, is skincare routine. So actually, maraming tao nga very talaga sila sa skin nila. So mapalalaki o babae man yan. So they are very conscious sa skin nila. So yung mga gusto mag-glow up, guys, so you can share your skincare routine. So you can make a video ano yung mga ginagamit mo sa skin. Next, guys, is aside from skincare routine, you can also have hair care routine. So yeah, so like yung ano ginagamit mong shampoo or conditioner. So paano mag-alaga ng hair. So mapalalaki o mapababae, guys. Actually, lahat tayo gusto natin na maganda yung ayos ng buhok natin. And next is hairstyle tips. So especially, guys, nowadays, trending ang iba't ibang klase ng hairstyle. You can create a video. So, ano yung iba't ibang mga hairstyle na bagay sa ganitong mukha o bagay sa ganitong look. Next, guys, especially sa mga dancer, yes, you can do dance cover. Yes, guys, so like sa mga vlogs nila, Niana and Kyle, so sikat yan ng mga YouTuber na ang covers, ang mostly sa mga videos nila, guys, ay mga dance covers. So, if you're a good dancer, if you have that talent, so why not, di ba? Mali mo. So, dito ka pala mag-grow sa talent mo na, sa skills mo na, o sa talent mo na yan na pagkasayaw. You can create a dance cover na pwede mo i-content. Next, guys, is dance tutorial. So, actually, aside sa dance cover, guys, so you can also create a dance tutorial. So, yung iba, na lalo yung mga magagaling talagang sumayaw. So, nagtuturo sila ng pagkasayaw through their videos. So aside sa dance cover, you can also make a video about dance tutorial. Next, guys, sa mga mahilig kumanta dyan at sa mga may talent talaga about singing, so actually, you can create song covers. No? So, maraming sumisikat ngayon, guys, especially sa YouTube. Ang content nila is about pagkanta. So, you can have that if you have that talent. If you have the talent, go for it. Next, guys, is you can create also videos like how to be productive. So, like, so for example, if you are a motivational speaker, so you can create videos like how to become productive within a day, something like that. Next, guys, is how to stay motivated. So, yan. Kasi maraming tinatamad ngayon. Maraming gusto maging successful. So, you can give tips or advices on how to stay motivated. So, that's all for today, guys. So, actually, that's the part 1 of our videos. Yun yung top 20 searchable contents that you can do as a YouTuber, especially sa mga baguhan sa YouTube channel, guys. So, guys, so I'm inviting you, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to my Facebook page. Follow me also on my TikTok account and Instagram. Don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be updated for my latest videos. So guys, karamihan sa in-upload ko dito ay about YouTube tutorials, motivations, about business, success stories, and struggles. So, if you like these videos, please don't forget to subscribe. So, again, I'm Jocsan, and thank you for watching.